For this video guide, we will be creating a link from a .edu site, which is considered a high quality link. You can see here the URL is .edu.au. This is a forum type of site. So what we're gonna do first is register on the website, on the forum. You just have to click the register link. After clicking the register link, we will see that you can see that there are fields to be filled up. So what I use is called RoboForm. Um, in the RoboForm, you can see that I have filled up the information needed for each registration: the address, the fake address, the emails, the name, the username every um, for every account, the password. I just set that up here on RoboForm. There are also custom fields if I want to add some other fields. For example, I want it to autofill up on the website field. I will just put so what I did is that every time um, there is a website field, it will automatically fill up with the information. It will automatically fill up that field with this URL here. For example, this one. We are on the registration page. You just click it once and there it will autofill up everything to make your work easier. Then all you have to do is just register. Unlike copy pasting, um, it will consume time, especially if there are more information needed like birthdays and address. And RoboForm just autofill up those fields. So you click register. Let's check the email verification. So I think this site don't need an email verification. You can see here that you are on the new registered user. When you click on that link, that would be your public URL. For example, I copy this URL, and open it in another browser and paste it. That would be my public URL. So right now we are logged in Firefox. I will then go to personal. You can see a website field here. I just click the RoboForm and it will automatically fill up these two informations. So I'm gonna save the changes. Then I will go to personality. So here you can use a BB code to put your anchor text. So this one here is called the BB code. You will copy and paste that here in the signature field, and you will just replace the your domain into the URL you are promoting, which is, for this example, the PPS site. I will just replace this one here, and I will replace it with a keyword. Replace the your keywords into your keywords. For example is promotional cheese board and knives. Then I will submit to save the changes. So since you are logged in, you can't see the public URL or the changes you have made, but if you try to check it in another browser, if you refresh this page, you have actually created a link to your um, to the website you are promoting, and here is the anchor text link, and this will be a .edu link. In order to see the public URL, you will just have to copy this here, go to personal or personality page, then copy the URL, then paste it into a different browser. For this example, I will use Google Chrome, and it will display the public URL. You are not logged in, but it displays the link. There are some sites that you need to log in, so we will not be building links to those websites since it it will not be crawled by Google. That's it for creating an edu link. If you have any questions, please let me know.